Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable data saver on Messenger. So if you feel a limited data on your mobile phone, you can try to limit or use the data saver on Messenger app. So when you open Messenger app, go to the settings. You can scroll down and try to find the data saver on preferences options. You can tap it, so you can turn this on. Click to download for images and videos when using mobile data is enabled. If by default this option is turned off, you can enable click to download for images and videos when using mobile data. So feel free to try this feature, the data saver for your Messenger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.